Hi everyone, let's see the concept of B trees. So, a B tree is an M-way search tree, means it will follow the properties of multiple search tree, and in addition to this, it will follow two more extra properties, that is except root node and leaf node, all other nodes should have a minimum of m by 2 children and m by 2 minus 1, and one more property is all leaf nodes should be at same level. Meaning that while constructing a B tree, you need to follow these properties. These properties means these two properties and M-way search tree property. You know, M-way search tree property is for a particular node, it can allow maximum of m children and it can allow maximum of m minus 1 keys. And this property, meaning that if there is any internal node, except the root node, that node should have minimum of m by 2 children. For example, here I am saying that m as 5, then the floor of 5 by 2, is 3, meaning that except the root node, all other internal nodes should have minimum 3 children. If it is having minimum 3 children, obviously it is having minimum 2 keys. Meaning that when it is satisfied, it is satisfied. When it is satisfied, it is automatically satisfied. That is the property of this one. And all the leaf nodes should be at same level. While constructing a tree, you need to check this condition also. Because the main reason why they have included these two properties in addition to this M-way search tree is because we have seen in the previous video there is one example. Like if my data is in sorted order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of degree 3 of order 3, my search tree will like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because of this reason, I mean, if my data is in sorted order, I got the tree as a right skewed M-way search tree again. So to overcome this drawback, we are moving for B trees. So that is the reason they have included these two properties. Now we will see an example. Now construct a B tree for the given data of order 5. When the order is 5, you can define the rules, right? So it can allow maximum 5 children according to multiple search tree definition, and it can allow maximum of 4 keys, and for every internal node except root node, it need to have minimum of m by 2. M by 2 means 5 by 2. Sila 5 by 2. Sila 5 by 2 is 3 children. Minimum it need to have 3 children. And if it is 3 children, minimum 2 keys. M by 2 minus 1, that is 2 keys. And the default one, all leaf nodes should be at same level. Now we will go for constructing a tree. First, I got value 3. If I got value 3, I will construct a node with 3 as value. With 3 as value. Okay, fine. So after inserting this value into this particular node, it is violating anything? No. So this is for only internal nodes except root node. You know already. Yes. There is no problem. Then I am going to insert one more value 14. One more value 14. After inserting the value 14, check for is there any violation? No, maximum 4 keys can allow. So there is only 2 values, so no need to bother. Next, I am going to insert the value 7. I am going to insert the value 7. After inserting the value 7, is it following the binary search tree property? No, because all the values should be follow binary search tree value, meaning that key 1 less than or equal to key 2 less than or equal to k3. So that you need to know. So you need to make order. That is 3, 7. So I will write separate. Then I will write 3, 7, 14. Now also there is no problem. Then I will go for inserting the value 1. If I am going to insert the value 1 here, again there is a problem. So then what I am going to do is I am going to add 1 to the left side of this one. Yes. Now check. It is valid or invalid? Yes, it is valid. Why? Because it can allow maximum 4 keys. 4 keys are there. It can allow 5 children. 5 children. Okay. Next, I got value 8. If I am trying to insert the value 8 to this particular node, it is having 5 keys now. When it is having 5 keys, this rule is violating. Then what we need to do? We need to take the middle element. And make it as parent element. Try to understand here. When it is violating the property, we need to take the middle element. When you are going to take the middle element? After making the arrangement 1, 3, 7, 8, 14. 1, 3, 7, 8, 14. After that, you are going to take the middle element. After inserting, my data will look like this. Now it is violating. So because of this violation, I will make this 7 as root node. Why I am taking this 7 as root node? Middle element I will take as parent. So after writing this, my structure will look like this. 7. 7 will make as root node. Then what about these values? These values should be left side 1, 3 and these values are right side. These values are root. Now check. It is a root node. These two are leaf nodes. So no need to consider anything. Now insert the value 5. If I am inserting the value 5 will be inserted where? We'll start from root node. We'll start from leaf node. So I can insert my 5 here, right? 1, 3, 5. So I can insert 1, 3, 5. Why? Because this 5 is less than 7. Then I will take the 11. Then 11 will be greater than 7. So I can insert 11. 11 will be in short order, right? So 11, then 14. Then 14. So after inserting, you need to check once again. Maximum 4 keys, but it is only 3 keys. Next 17. 17 will be greater than 7. So I'll go for insert here. But when you insert here, you need to check this property. There is no violation. There is no problem. Next I will go for taking 13. 13. As 13 is greater than 7, I try to insert 13 here. If I try to insert 13 here, 13 here, 14 here, and 17 here. But after inserting 13, this property is violating. When this property is violating, what I said, I need to pick up the middle element, and make it as parent. When I make it as parent, 13 will be comes out here and will be added as parent. Added as parent. And you know, 13 left side elements should be like this and 13 right hand elements like this. Like this. That's it. Next, take the value 6. 6 will be, as 6 is less than 7, so we'll go for inserting here 5, 6. That's 6. After inserting 6, is there any proper violating? No. 4 keys are there, no problem. Next, I will take 23. 23 will be inserted first. I will check with 30. 23 is greater than 13, so I will go for right side. Then, here I am having enough space, I will insert here in the sort order. 23. Next, I got 12. 12 is less than 30 but greater than 7. So I will go for inserting 12 here. Sorry, 11 and 12. Next, I got 20. 20 is greater than 30. 30. So I will go for insert here. 20 and then 23. Next, I got 26. 26 will be inserted. 26 is greater than 13. Yes. So I will go for insert here. Just check here. I will go for insert here and this data is also inserted. If I am inserting this 26 here, it is violating this property, maximum 4 keys property. So what I am going to do, I am going to pick up the middle element. Pick up the middle element. I will make a move this to the root element. Just see, note down all this. So I will remove this 20 and I will append it to the parent node. Append to parent node. So obviously 14 is less than 17 and then remaining will be appended to here. Next, I got 4. When I got 4, I will check with the root node. Is 4 less than 7? Yes, so the 4 will be compulsory to the left side of this one. Now, if I insert 4 here, my structure will look like this. But because of this insertion 4, here it is violating the property, this property. When it is violating this property, we need to pick up the middle element. I will take the middle element and I will make a move to the parent element. I will make a move to the parent element. Just simply check here. If I make a move the 4 to the parent element, I have inserted here. Is there any problem? There is no problem. Why? Because it is having maximum 4 children. So there is no problem. It is not varying anything. Next I will take 16. 16 will be inserted where 16 will be greater than 30 and less than 20. So 16 will be inserted here. 16, then 17. Next I got 18. 18 is greater than 30 and less than 20. So my 18 will be inserted here. 18 will be inserted here. Okay. Then I got 24. 24 is greater than 20, so 24 will be inserted here. After inserting 24, we need to check. It is valid. Next I got 25. When I got 25, 25 is greater than 20. So 25 I can insert. 25, 26. After inserting, there is no problem. Maximum 4 keys. There is no problem. Next I got 19. Next I got 19. Now 19 is greater than 4, greater than 7, greater than 30 and less than 20. Meaning that my 19 is greater than 30 and less than 20. So I need to insert my 19 here. 19 here. Because of this insertion of 19 into this particular node, it is violating this property. If it is violating this property, what I said, remove the middle element. Remove the middle element and make a move to the upwards. Make a move to the upwards. If I make a move to the upwards, I mean 17 here, 20 here. So the structure will look like this. Just check. 14 and 16 are greater than 13, less than 17. And for 17, 14 and 16 are less than 17, and 18 and 19 are greater than 17. Like it is valid. It is valid. But check here. If you take this node, up to here there is no problem. If you take this node, it is violating this property as it is having 5 keys. It is having 5 keys. So at this stage, what I need to do? You need to repeat this process again and again. What I am saying is, I need to pick up the middle element and I need to make this as a root node. This as root node. Just check. So, let me do this. So my 13 removed and make it as parent. I mean, what I am saying is, when it is violating, we need to take the middle element and we need to make parent. If that parent node is also violating, we need to take the middle element and we need to make up. If that parent also violating, we need to pick up the middle element, we need to make. So until if no node violates anything. So this is the corresponding B tree of order 5 for the given elements. Right? Now just check. Is there any node is violating? No. All having less than 4 keys only. So this is less than or equal to 4. There is no problem. And check the one after completion of all these things, the second statement. Accept root node, and accept the leaf nodes. Accept the root node and accept the leaf nodes. This is root node and all leaf nodes. All leaf nodes. Except the red marked nodes, all the remaining nodes should have minimum 3 children. This is having minimum 3 children. This is having minimum 3 children. If it is minimum 3 children, it is having minimum 2 keys. Minimum 2 keys. And all the leaf nodes should be at same level, right? What is the level? What is the level of this one? All levels should be right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For all the things, the level is same level. Meaning that I didn't done any magic here. If you follow this process, automatically these two properties will be satisfied. That's it. Okay. So this is a simple example for creation of B tree of order 5. B tree of order 5. Okay. See, I have written a procedure here. What we did for this example. See, when you got a requirement like to insert a data into corresponding B tree, what we are going to do? We are going to search for the leaf node where I am going to insert. Okay, for example, I got now something like all are completely full, right? For example, let us assume that some x, or let us take some 2. If the user is asking for to insert a value 2, I am going for search for the loop node where 2 is inserted. So where 2 is inserted, 2 is less than 30, so it comes to here. 2 is less than 4, so it will come to here. So this is the corresponding leaf node. I can able to insert my 2 here. So I can able to insert my 2 here. After inserting this 2, I mean, if the leaf node is not full, I can directly insert. If the leaf node is full, so as if leaf node is not full, I can insert. If leaf node is full, what I am going to do? I will insert that data. I will insert it. I mean, I am saying insert the new value in the existing set of keys. Insert the new value in the existing set of keys. After inserting, split the node at its median into 2 nodes. We did. And push the median element up to its parent. Whatever the middle element is there, that we are going to push up to its parent. If parent node is already full, split the parent node by following the same procedure. That is what we did, right? So for the last statement, when 13 is here, I pushed on. That's it. So this is a simple procedure. I mean, this procedure is what I did here. Okay. So this is the corresponding procedure for creation of B trees.